on this episode of Doorbell Mania.
You're going to jail.
Sir, put my package back, please. Can you please I'm calling the cops right now.
A TikToker who goes by Ariana uploaded this Blink camera footage. As you can see, the husband sporting a large neon green bag is leaving the apartment unit in the evening. A man comes over with a pack of liquor at 10 p.m. It looks like Heineken. He's about to place a call on his phone before a woman answers the door and lets him inside. Yeah, that ain't DoorDash.
Oh my God!
The clip then cuts to the man emerging from the front door. He is holding his hoodie in his hand and walks away as the woman watches him leave, and she don't got no pants on. It appears she's wearing an oversized shirt. She even looks to the parking lot to see if the coast is clear. Now her husband finally arrives home after being gone for 4 long days. Atlanta, Georgia. A crazy man just chased a man's wife home. Luckily, she was able to get inside the house before he got to the door. The vagrant then sits his behind on the porch. For what? I don't know. Kick rocks. Virginia Beach. A goofy car door checker seen on camera waving a gun at the surveillance camera as his getaway driver aimlessly awaits his return. Once he realizes the doors are locked, he maliciously kicks the side of the pickup truck, then runs off. Newark, New Jersey. 2 random men are caught walking in the backyard of a church woman. She busts open her back door and catches them in the act. What they doing, I don't know.
Excuse me. Y'all can't be coming through my yard. No, y'all can't be coming. My camera's going off. I'm going to report this to the police. Y'all can't be doing this. Happy Thanksgiving. Please don't come through my yard again. My door's open. My kids are here. No, I'm going to report that to the church. Y'all broke this gate. I can't pay money for this. Where y'all going?
Brooklyn, New York. A man is seen walking by a homeowner's property, and he must work for the devil himself, because what he decides to steal is a statue of God, Buddha himself.
Oh my God!
Keep your valuables safe, people. These porch pirates have no chill. They stealing everything up in this piece. This landlord's behavior is downright atrocious. A tenant installed a Ring camera by her apartment door for her own safety, and this landlord is upset. What's her problem? Lynbrook, New York. A random man walks right into this homeowner's house, as if he lived there with no hesitation. Luckily, a husband was there. The guy claimed he walked into the wrong house. Who does this? Who walks into someone else's house without knocking, even if he knows who they are? You're still supposed to knock. Who does he think he is?
Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at me, man. Hey, look at me.
Madison, Tennessee.
You're going to jail.
Jacksonville, Florida. This porch pirate gets caught red-handed by the homeowner, and listen to his lame brain reaction.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
I'm picking up I'm trying to, can you come to the door, please?
We're not home. Well, I'm not home. My husband might be, but...
I'm the person who checks and makes sure people get their packages.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's best for y'all to come, grab them.
You can leave it at the door.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Spokane, Washington. This poor homeowner gets her 1994 Mazda Miata stolen right out of her driveway while she's home. Fortunately for her, she was able to retrieve the car a few days later.
Sir, put my package back, please. Can you please I'm calling the cops right now.